Hello, everybody. Today we have with us Srinath Achar, the principal of Jindal School of Hotel Management. Welcome to the College Dunya portal, sir.
Hi, thank
So,
you.
sir, yeah. Beginning with the interview, my first question to you is that being the principal at Jindal School of Hotel Management, what are the roles and responsibilities towards the university as well as the students?
I consider my role as pretty simple here, which is to provide a salubrious learning environment for the students. It's a very delicate balance to maintain where we have to provide assisted learning to the students, also keep the learning environment a bit challenging too. Uh, as a principal of Jindal School, I have tried to maintain an atmosphere where students are free to give their opinions are valued even in ways how this campus has to be run or what kind of subjects they would like to learn there. So having this open environment where their opinions are valued and they feel free to express themselves.
So, on that note, my next question to you is that how do you tend to establish a healthy environment between the students and your fellow faculty members?
A healthy environment is always maintained with mutual trust. The first step for that begins in our program itself. Our classes are made pretty interesting by the way the durations are scheduled. We do realize that we are handling adult learners, and adult learners as such need to have control of what and how they learn. So a typical class session will not have an hour of class session will not have more than 20 minutes of theory, and there are a lot of workshop related activities and a lot of practical activities there as well. When students do these activities, we have events and workshops related to each learning module. And in these learning modules, a lot of responsibility is given to students. And when these responsibilities for results are shared between students and faculty members, I think a mutual respect is generated there. So maintaining this open channels of communication, giving responsibility to adult learners, and making them learn by taking actions and being responsible for their actions. We are able to maintain a very healthy and open relationship between faculty members and students.
Right, very well said, sir. Moving on, my next question to you is that how does Jindal School of Hotel Management ensure the best practices of the industry?
It is very necessary for an industry to be, for our college students to be relevant to the industry requirements. We are lucky that Jindal School is supported by Jindal Hotels Limited, which is our parent company. So we constantly get updated on what are the requirements of this industry, what are the requirements of hotels, what are the requirements of catering establishment, hospitality unit. Based on these inputs, we are continuously upgrading our curriculum so that our students are in touch with the latest global requirements. Maybe it will be clearer if I can explain some of the content that we have incorporated. We have simulated learning. We have subjects like hotel operation tactics and strategies, where a loss-making property is handed over to the student virtually, and they need to convert it into a profit-making hotel by taking managerial decisions within a span of 3 virtual years. Similarly, the two hands-on PR and e-marketing subjects have been added. Contemporary trends is a subject which not just is added but has to be kept contemporary and kept updated every year of this curriculum. So we are not totally dependent on the syllabus that the university gives us. Our faculty members also update the content as and when it is required by the industry. Also, our students are encouraged to work part-time. Our students are also encouraged to be part of our teams that help in consultancies for various startups. When they are interacting in these kind of situations, so I think the simulated learning is what helps them to be on par with the latest industry requirements.
Absolutely, sir. So, do you have any extracurricular activities or programs to enhance the skills of the students or expose them to the real world challenges?
Oh, yes, so we have lots of extracurricular activities. I think we'll never see a week here without any activity happening. A hospitality school is as such a fun place to be. There are a lot of cooking, a lot of demonstrations, a lot of mocktail preparations, and other things are happening. But in addition to that, we have a history of skill, what do you say, skill groups or skill clubs where students explore various skills that they want to specialize in. In addition, I'm proud to say that our students do a lot of social work. The last few years, our green team has been doing a fabulous job in maintaining an eco-friendly environment. Uh, Routinely, our students take part in massive tree plantation operations in and around Baroda. We have tied up with some government bodies also for that. In addition to that, wherever and whenever our students have participated in competitions, especially related to hospitality, they have won laurels for the college. Recently, Jindal School came second in one of the biggest hospitality competitions conducted at AISS in Pune. That was among the spectrum of 8 different hospitality subjects. So, in addition to these routine activities like quizzes, culinary competitions, etc., uh, what is very close to our heart is, as I said, social work. Our students do prepare food for the needy and give it and serve it to them whenever we could. Being in a hospitality industry, I think that is where our chefs could utilize our skills and combine social work with that. So
Perfect.
I'm happy that this tradition has been maintained by our students for at least last 8-9 years that I know of.
Very well. Wishing JSHM all the very best for the coming future as well.
Thank you.
So, yeah, welcome, sir. My next question to you is, what do you see as Jindal School of Hotel Management's greatest strengths?
Our partnerships are our biggest strength. There are 3 partnerships I would like to highlight here. Our first partnership is with our international partners, that is the SEG, the Swiss Education Group. And we have been associated with them for the last 11 years now. And Swiss education has always been known to be the best hospitality education. And we have borrowed from their leading institutes, and our curriculum has come up like that. So this curriculum gives a lot of advantage to our students when they look for international placements or they need to go internationally for higher studies. So that is our strength, and we are looking to enhance that too. We have recently tied up with PIHMS College of New Zealand. So that effort is on. The second partnership that we are proud of is, as I already mentioned, our parent institution, which is Jindal Hotels Limited. So there are 7 hotels of Jindal Hotels Limited, and we are one of the biggest exporters, Jindal Agro and Global Gourmet. We are Asia's largest exporters of vegetarian food. So the support that we get from our parent organization in terms of maybe the human resources for our classes, practical exposure for our students, and inputs required on how to keep a curriculum updated from the industry. That is a big help to us. Since it's a parent company, their support will always be there with us. Since we have we've been in operations from 2005, our placements have started from 2006. Jindal School has a very proud history of placements. Today, our partnership with the alumni is a very, very strong partnership. Over the last decade, not only have they got good jobs, they have risen to positions where they could help the upcoming students or their juniors with good placements, both India and abroad. So during these alumni meets or even during regular interactions, we have a lot of requirements from our alumni for student placements. So that is something which is heartening for any institution, that their alumni could help the upbudding students or outgoing students of Jindal School with placements, not just in India but also internationally. So these three partnerships is our biggest strength, and we hope that we build on these strengths in the years to come.
Absolutely, sir. That's pretty great. Without taking much of your time, I would directly like to move to the last part of the interview and request you to give a few suggestions or advices to the current youth as well as the aspiring students.
His views are very personal, but I feel that the youth of today needs to look more to be a job giver than a job seeker. So I would encourage youth to be entrepreneurial in their approach, maybe not to begin with, but at least have an entrepreneurial bent of mind going ahead. With their first job, even if they're not an entrepreneur, they can look at being an intrapreneur where they could work in their jobs as if it is their own company and take that kind of risk and that kind of responsibility in their job roles. Another bit of advice that I have for outgoing students is to take a job which is close to their heart instead of taking a job just for the sake of money. It happens regularly where students come and say, I'm interested in this, but in a different department, I have an international offer. So at their age, it is very tempting, but I would still say if you take a job where you could learn and pursue your passions, money will come when it has to come. Whenever you do something that you like, money comes out. So that should not be their focus. Following their dreams, following their passion should be their focus.
Thank you. Thank you for those motivational words, sir. That was quite inspiring. On this note, I would like to conclude the interview. And that's all from our end. Thank you so much for your time. That was indeed quite.
I also thank College Dunia for setting up this interview, and the questions are really thought-provoking. Thank you once again, and thank you to College Dunia.
Sure. That was Srinath Achar, Principal at Jindal School of Hotel Management. Thank you, sir.